first transit for Ivory Coast. No, I think Togo rather. Yeah, your first transit to Togo. Now I think I have free Togo to Gabon State, you know. And the two flight they take you on. No. I think there are complaints are not more because of weather conditions. And I did not say so. Munana and so I didn't know. Flight no. Ejira kwan kakra nti ema race na I was saying I did Gabon no. I think instead of now less than 1 hour, but I say spend 1 hour plus some minutes be flight no. And now they are no much channel. The only way I know able to me I really say I was say the nearest airport are near Ben. I think was it Douala, that is Senegal. No, Cameroon rather. So the one of my could not kakra antenna you free or a copy more Gabon.
It's Muko Jina ho answer na chemu say to about Gabonese.
But
na aeroplane na also.
But does
aeroplane na also kakra.
Fine, easy. I was so fine now, bro.
More aeroplane na mo ye. Ono
now be off flight to Dia Abu. Nay, they require when it's a Gabon for na no more Kakubuni now the same flight. So now Ubia I say maybe they are not named to Conate Yabomabu because now communications are not more than my they now question will be able to
say no yaba Zach me pass the piano pay
over to me that
no mainstream patron
did you say here the kola who did not go yada zile aselo kalo are ho but they have say Udi ba yeze Udi la agoya ati we kiri se be cow. Oh, last time that la me drive be drive be accident me bala isi de this year well first dey ba with you et bi we jame ba bia black road wo Udi ti dey ba with you no agoya because that time no only control sure first in about me too say and they me go na va so timi nchen and no your koku jiro koku and the first in about me too say the first in about you say eh and me we jabe am ya na kro du ho na ma me be fa dey say
mun go yo tiga
I don't think as was that right
na other aisle no form no the security it's okay yes oh apostle I say Gabon for na no money omo ko borrow 10 match obi ezu say last hour any it's okay the tiano no ukopie mo paria ya who's Newcastle fans and PSG for the album you say you Newcastle fan this kind of Milan
yeah
and then PSG for no so ba time side no in CC kakra. And then this yesterday competition we started na muja hwieguye na Dinamo Zagreb ni Olympiacos yes from pa
amunya abotre
yes from p
amunya abotre
and no circumstance na say supporter be call na okonya problem no there some great
Bishop Mate na wa fie na wa beto so about na yanku anim na nya ya ada 70
3-3 penalty shootouts. Brazil leading by 2-1.
Argentina said Germany leading
penalty shootout.
Mate, ma me kwa poso na me ne to so na said America Sompa Sika promotion star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash na be twa na dina e mo amane manku e ba no wa fa Sompa kumas mu twa nguma e cheme baba be do no aposo na bibia boko de
abun yami adum okay, me start free the Davis Cup. Davis Cup tennis national competition I about my mindable all the world. Now Davis Cup also now Italy surprisingly because Serbia Novak Djokovic is Serbian and so Novak lead Serbia against Italy. Who expect to say Novak will win because one or the greatest player per the Grand Slam 24 Grand Slam, or greatest player. It's the greatest player any Ubia Onya winning first Grand Slam that in Jannik Sinner. The best he did was a semi-final of this year Wimbledon. I'll lose it to Abrante Novak Djokovic. So you expect between Ononi way, I say mismatch in a way.
Yes.
But once again, this young talented Italian, Dibiami Kano Asem Chirawono. Davis Cup, you bought 2 singles, number 1 seed, number 2 seed, and a doubles. Now in the singles, Ono Novak and Jannik Sinner. Jannik Sinner is number 1 seed for Italy.
Yes.
And the Shire. Now the first set he won by 6-2. Good serves, good movement, great backhand, and superb return of serve. Second set, Novak win nearby 6-7 tie break. Now the tie break ran a mistake in terms of the drop shot. Brantier, Jannik Sinner boy Emma Novak. Then the third set, I had the deciding set as MCM. Now at that time, Omo Boyama na Jannik Eluzi 4-5. And the last point, IFNL, the match point here. In this case, Novak 40 and Jannik love. Your friend is 0. In tennis, we don't say 0 love. So 40 love. Now, as I love Novak a set point or 1 set point or match point. And we were 3 match points. I Abranti friend of Jannik because Novak Sevilla or Winnie no. Now Adesi, this young man proved that a genius for the future. On my Novak losing 1, 2, 3 games about deuce 40 all.
Yes. And
then he won the next and call try Novak 7-5. And yet try no now after that Novak any moment McDomovich or any part-time doubles Ekoshia or no any Jannik Sinner any Lorenzo Sonego omobo doubles. Once again Jannik Sinner proved the decisive reason why both singles or try Novak doubles or making sure someone's trying.
Wow.
So Serbia was knocked out of the competition because of incredible exploit and intelligence and top class tennis performance by young chap Jannik Sinner. Don't forget, Jannik Sinner this year, after losing Wimbledon semi-final to Abranti friend Novak Djokovic, ATP Tour final group stage or try Djokovic and Djokovic tried in the final. So this was a revenge. The 22-year-old, and then I'm going to share Australia nearby, and I'm going to share Australia. Alex Dimino, or try Alex Dimino the singles, and then Alex Dimino Alex Poprin, about doubles, and only Sonego, Lorenzo, and Jannik Sinner, they won. So they won the final. Now, what he has achieved 25 years ago, Sweden, tried Italy, Now, or no Jannik Sinner, won.
Yes.
He was there 22 years. But Italy, we almost first and only until now, Davis Cup, that was 47 years ago against Chile. That is a mega achievement this young man achieved for Italy. Wow. Italy, and I say football will be Anko ye, but what he has done for them in winning this Davis Cup, which is the second ever in the history of Italy.
47 years
ago. 22-year-old and Ama Italy. And I'm saying that the best way is to beat Almighty, the best ever tennis player. And then just what trying singles, that's not trying to doubles. Yeah, that's how phenomenal the young man is. And this year he's been incredible. Look, Miami, after Miami Open or loses to Medvedev, he came to China Open, tried Carlos Alcaraz in the semi-final, tried Daniel Medvedev in the final, before he came to the ATP Tour final. So, wonderful performance by Jannik Sinner. But for Novak Djokovic, it's ending the season on a good note because forget about Davis Cup. Ashino say after 2010, one Timmy and or try France or lead the team to try France the first Davis Cup become more back up. He's not been able to do anything. I can't say almost blame because with a match point who expects and or a master of study, and you don't expect the junior, the emerging force, the master, the established one in Novak. But Jannik Sinner has proven that. Oh yeah, the young generation. Mama share Carlos Alcaraz because the Jannik Sinner is also the next thing. Gasparud, Hogarud. These young guys are the next thing. And 22 years, he has or the minor to the shoulder, and he's done that. And he's done again the greatest tennis player ever. So what this picture means is that we're an emerging force against the yet to retire champion. That is remarkable. And but Novak this season has a phenomenal season. Or we need Australian Open, Grand Slam, Stefano Tsitsipas, or we need the Roland Garros, the French will be Gasparov. Or unfortunately for him, Wimbledon or losing the Carlos Alcaraz, US Open, or Daniel Medvedev to win the US Open. The ATP Tour final, Jannik Sinner. What it means is that the 4 Grand Slam, Novak already moved 3 Grand Slam this year and lost only 1 Grand Slam. That's still making a 36-year-old phenomenal. And next year, he'll win 2 Grand Slam. Mark my words, he'll win 2 more Grand Slam next year. Novak, his worst will be Australia there, or not sorry, this or now on the Obefa, in the back. So that'll go 25. Rafa Nadal will not recover fully. French Open is also the best bet to win it. Yes. And Wimbledon. All is about the health and fitness. One because of your discipline or your business or endurance. A Serbian for a part of the Serbian physical attribute. Serbia for third one, tennis nakas onimbopa. All court is the most complete player in tennis. Like Manu Stevigraf was the most complete. Man, not Roger Federer. Roger Federer is more of US Open and Wimbledon. We are the most complete ever. Baby, and Ena or ye obia or meditate a lot. Or also the papa be email pepe. Ebe spiritual orientation in Buffy be manu 3 years ago. And I'll send Ginemedi. Yeah, or Ginemedi. But there's no look success stories you see. A lot of success stories. One day, Coca-Cola story actually. The success stories you see, a lot of them are spiritual backing, whether white or black. Every success story. Every success story. Good. Every success story, company or individuals. So they are here. And to be honest, we are coming and there's something of people don't know. He's getting successful. The mother has share anani papa ninyamia kwapam for years. Akumia be ni maybe about him, but he will still be successful. And you the covenant, you respect of covenant. Yes. And you why dream you there be old town on the name found. That is it. So that so after this young man, he will continue to be the greatest player ever. I mean, listen, he's just phenomenal. He's good. He's disciplined, or you'll be focused in life. On finding to on you maybe sometimes in somebody. No. So he'll continue to excel. Now, say I didn't crank. I said me bank. I saw born semi Formula 1 Grand Prix. I saw born semi. Monfa attack room for the Dutch maestro Max Verstappen to Bachon. Now attack room for the minimum say about what the Dutch fans displayed here, and what this young man is here on mine na Dutch for Grandma Furniture Belgium for saying Papa Joss no free. Look, their support for this young man, and Debbie Amikado said the young man, it's not about the car, it's about him. It's about him, the young man. Look, this year, Mikato before Yasha's here, one of the things I'm aware from Kune said, or to me, there, Christian Horner, the principal race director, needed a who even Lewis Hamilton is not able to do that to the Wolf. Or to me, they will go against plan and strategy. Near we winning race now. And the do baby or they will come to me kasa. And or yen so here or ye bo Bahrain. The 3 pistol does it Debbie who do 2 pistol. Or no, and because he's the maestro, why so on your horizonte, and do baby Christian Horner and Timin Canasem. And this young man here 2 years ago, Australia, Bahrain, New West Nemesis, this year, on making sure say he won those races with Chiki East. 2 years ago, Silverstone, the same thing, Silverstone British Grand Prix, the same thing was 7. This year, or dominating control here in Grand Star. Now, Silverstone in Kyoto and do no 3 laps. No, he showed skills. And then came another difficult circuit. Or yeah, no simple. Ninti or the Miami, ni Japan, Mobe Kaho, and Canada and Spain. He was superb and sublime. Look, 1 year record, 19 races. Never. We have Michael Schumacher, 7-time champion. Lewis Hamilton. Don't forget, say, or yeah, way was we have an existing 7-time champion in Lewis Hamilton. Unlike go back and say, but you have a 7-time champion in Lewis Hamilton. You have a 2-time champion in Fernando Alonso. So our established order 3 years ago, Lewis Hamilton was a real deal until Nico Rosberg came back. So established order 7-time champion, this young sensational driver. And what he has done, and see now, don't forget that last year, on no 15, Abu Dhabi, okay, Michael Massey 3 years ago, yes. Abu Dhabi in a decided race, no. Michael Massey, race director for Formula 1, almost so indecision or win here. So this time around, or say, we're winning 3 consecutive times Abu Dhabi to prove a point. Say, I know they are same they see about me dominating with the same Lewis Hamilton. Me ma no one for way or the knife. Me ma no one for. My children say be we a penny the home retrim. Me na me brainy. And 19 races out of 22. Never in the history of Formula 1 has that happened. Secondly, apart from Sergio Perez or winning Azerbaijan, and winning Saudi Arabia, and then Carlos Sainz winning Singapore, he has won all races where he's even lost 7 of them in the last 2 years. He's won all again. And you know, what's your point gap? Over 250 point difference. That's incredible. And also in Cedar. So this young man is not only making records, setting records, he's breaking and establishing his own records.
You are in out of
this 3rd one, consecutive. Wow. And then you know with Lewis Hamilton, Lewis per 8th one, not the Michael Schumacher. And then by this boy is going to win the 4th title next year. Me see it's about Nakuku drone and near ding. Next year, Lewis, or he has a good car. It's true, but the car alone is not enough. The strategy alone is not. This year, out of the 22 races, we defied race director Christian Horner 9 times. That defining 9 times against Nyayashi 2 or say about Yeno, then you know we need. So Ferrari, I'm kind of but Charles Leclerc, so that's why I can say car no etumrika here, but the boy is adding something spectacularly different to car na etumrika no. It's more about no check car no. So Miami, the race director was shocked at how or yet 10-6 or yet 10-6 wonderful inside 10. When Christian Horner said, wow, what an amazing driver. Or no, race director up by the name because of the young man. So this young man, he's just gifted and good, superb and sublime. Lewis Hamilton be bompa we so onyari we so nye we see on time pra or hit you twice cry on pra. So far this guy is strong and good. Lewis Hamilton should forget the 8th championship title. Ever. This guy, well, we were winning race don't you or his skills or you catch with the car. Yeah, the Dutch and Belgian maestro, you know, or you catch it. We retired Lewis Hamilton. And this boy, he go place. The reason why now they want to renew. Now what? They want to renew this. Now they want to. Now they want to renew his contract. He's going to $70 million a year. Yeah.
$70 million.
Red Bull want to renew his contract before next year March. $70 million a year. Sir Lewis Hamilton is earning $50 million. He's just 24. He's getting 25. 70 million. Ade. I when you channel. But him say even though Dutch and Atankro for no own him. The way I ball no ancient and Quay now. BBI Aquayo. Who shed fans numbers a call Abu Dhabi. I love that. Good for the country. Like almost support for him is massive.
And yeah.
Okay. So unless you don't want, so I now understand.
Oh.
Okay. Because almost dinachi baby.
Never was into
Joss.
Right?
Yes. Yeah. Former Formula 1 champion. Yes.
Never pa.
Yeah, Joss.
Yeah, Max Verstappen. Never pa.
Joss Verstappen.
I'm still. Yeah.
Where did the end?
No, he's gone through the mail.
Yes, Formula 2.
He's gone through the mail. And I'm saying, Never pa no
Michael Schumacher.
Good.
Yes.
So
they were being to the same car. They
drove Krawi and the best stop it.
Lewis Hamilton man say record no o man nye
no way
o man nye
David na say say cheche wa
last
NC da because no person say omo your family close family Michael Schumacher ni mama we just ni papa we ni they are very according holidays or Michael Schumacher order Max from the club so no your person say see that say no Max any just yesterday no obema Lewis Hamilton abeg set a new record of winning 8 times against Michael Schumacher family.
Mate, my kick can call for messages kakra on the aba. Na am say messages no. E bi aba about 17 million there. Yeah, now for no mo ka so kai you. Dey me ane omo. Me akra be na me so abi. Ana, ya 17 million there la wa kai ni nua kakra.
Oni are ka ata na ono ne omo ne trenko. Dey be dey nua.
Kakra.
No pre na maybe then even $4 million a year. Mbumi na me na Kilimanjaro.
So well le kasaro kanya kada yichero kada bakaze kada dodge be so abi baro no be me kai me
oh be aka
yo say kada dodge chero say ne so abi o Ghana
ba akomia nya 1 million na
about to say
akomia me ba
dey crash agu ha bi ni bro la ya akomia
swag odi be ba no swag no
akomia na apostle me ne nam no bi fe ni fi ama no me na bishop komodidie ma na eze the parents will me say me ton catch it ma me 1000 Ghana bishop that they could do feel about 11 p.m. 1000 Ghana no bishop uni and me ra kakra me akojiwe no and no na say mama mani ayeda ka dey lord ko so aso ane ma
watchum
message sirika ba mo so answer ba ma jiri so ye akwa ba mira atapoko ojo so good man good morning Abu Dhabi and your crew and a mark of professionalism from CR7 it is not any player who can do that. I'm watching the show live at Birth and Death Registry Domain Crow Starboy watching the show live and clear at Avumem Airport Sompa Sport no size Man City is winning tonight against RB Leipzig. Greetings to Mr. Someone Adai, Arafat Phobia, my lovely father, no joke. Nana Kwame, upon fantastic analysis here as a Bra Roy. I am Hans watching live from Somenya Barca is raining tonight. Oyibo Boatin from Nyebi, Nadian watching live. Kotoko beat Nations FC by hook or crook. And a fabulous, still the greatest. Oyibo Boatin the other band on Fremont schedule. Nadian on Senate here. My name is Joe, watching live from Kwame Chem Krum KKK. More update on Madrid and Samuel Ndaya. No matter what, Barca win tonight's match. And here the other Baby Ram no John Bracon, Nidianam John watching live from our commander. I'll say, oh, what a great show. Yeah, I say no the other Baby Ram. Joseph Donko, Brentford, good morning. I'm watching live from our Fukenya say and Fimoni Makoshi watching live from Sekendi Adiembra. Jackson Ose Kwati. I want to do my internship with Sompa. Oh, Jackson, Brava now I'll be honorable. So name is honorable Breda. Why you be kama pa et me amount. Samuel na Ndaya once again. My number one sports station here. I see about Prince for Shawali, AK Superstar. Good morning, boss. Watching live and clear inside town also. Star Junction, keep the fire burning, fire emojis, you know. So I'm watching live inside console. Kojo Krum FC Porto and PSG will win tonight. Here for the Sean. Good morning, Abu Dhabi. Here for the Sean. Watching live from Nzema and +1 today. I really thank God for giving me such opportunity. Happy birthday in Kwen family for the Sean. Nani Mandela Dimpa and from Antonio for you. The show is live at East Hospital. Yeah, that's no the other by Biaga. You guys are doing a great job here. I say and our friends the F4. Abu Dhabi, you make laugh and tap more. Watching live from Naflau Volta region and I'm wanting Douglas. Bishop, please wish me. Today is my birthday. Doggy Wise. Bishop, oh, we need Doggy Wise. I'm wanting Douglas. BBS.
On the picture, Kawana.
The picture they want farmer.
I'm watching Douglas. Doggy. Yeah, we should happy birthday. Nyango po shop on to name and I behind God bless you, man.
Mati doggy that was a pa. I say baby a doggy will be an akoma Tony yam kama pa. Boa mani amadida di impe timi ede man on away so no chilling P. Good morning Abu. Please between Ronald Koeman and Xavi who has done well. o me be we there da free be di hon kom da free be di hon kom na
on the face value there em say Javi there ni mu kan kakra
sa Javi no ne ye den
say Javi no buy a league la wa be jini pampe
oh okay
na so what did other trophy Copa di España mo won Madrid ma bobo to on
there we ni mu kakra Mate, mamenda mo ye kwede ba ye tia sivina fise no ye didi de nkoma wo na anti Sompa sika promotion on fa on shima betim ne ho ahim na wa baba betwa me kwa bara ma ba be draw no two box star 256 star 3 hash na obonse okwo ani me be yiwe na ba ye Sompa kumase na watwa fa ho ano pay me cho 500 Ghana kane me ba be so ama san cho 500 Ghana na watwa di agum sa anti twa gum se no 7 8 9 10 na wutwa na udi gum sa abonse ye ntwi draw na number na PNT star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash no wura na aboa na ma dadin pa etimi da mana Sompa kumase ba ko ye 5 Ghana utwa no dodo ma na udi me da mo me ba pe yeti asim na afisem na to aso de amamo
Sompa achedie yabo Sompa achedie 2023 Bible say nyame Sompa pani say obi ko wunyanka ene erusia mobo enuti na Sompa 93.1 Kumase Sompa 90.7 Enkransa Sompa 98.9 Sunyane yakabom se bronyen yebema enisia ene ekranfo edidi na yanko ayetini age se wo beboa yen enti se yesika fatu ahomatrofo iso 0598559802 meeting biem 0598559802 edi e woso yeta one media bronya bosome ni de to so aduonu ba ko ni beboja trada na de mode dum yen no ye de ama ekuna
na me ba na me say se ku ani de se Sompa fadi amuye onya ko fisu musra ko aso efi se je muye je se binsi ja se de fa fi frafo enyanka emubonfu omu ni bie so ne kura se omu ni bie mu yo ni bie mi fe ko ya fa enso mo de afema mana so everybody won shira mo Bible see you who perform everybody will be sure. Some who perform everybody shira mo anu anya mo kese e papa mi so be mo kese pa amen
na yesika na yentuma so a wo betimi de aba afenso se niema bi ense ye ti se mo ene yanwa so a yebeje mo a mo ye bi afi etwa mu no emu adanse de mo a mo nim Sompa achede 2023 ebusuafo yamfa ye ho hyem na propose prepa obodu ponko mu yenya pon obeyiye wiye Sompa achede 2023 ekunafo ene enyanka ne so wo mu bedidi
ise wa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kwaku, afeina mebeko. Menkrata krani.
Eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika adwane ne wanya otredidi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarmenti akwentu ayefo. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say e to ana se visiting so a. Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo amopese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafule Roundabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. For more Ahomacho for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
one say na papa toothbrush no. Why you toothbrush no. Ni nya Ashford.
Na, ni na ya Ashford dear. Na so evident no way.
Who that the evidence ben? Adani ni nya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh sweetheart, Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena de ya moku hu. Ashford Princess. And obra ko judie no so Ashford Galaxy. Wodie na ira no so Ashford Evident. Media so Ashford Executive. And now media no so Ashford Friendly.
Without Ashford toothbrush
my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Ne to me bro dodomi ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. It's to phone for 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will soon need. Brakojo, what badia? Beso mi muna Mary Wadam Foy. Not mean to me no. Arthritis not canning home.
I've heard what a wood wukun. And why better sano? What can't tell us I can prepare or buff for her barbecue ebreno.
Or buff for her barbecue. And you hear bintem. Me so crassa. You know be more go.
Kwaku net is saying, and go ye bro. Jamie with you more yummy pan won't. And maybe problem on our come was some no and no be pepe. And I'm better say mediano. Me no or buff for her barbecue. And I'm to seeking king. Since me see an ametashi. My wife grand is so muka crack. I told her no so the aba. Aman kwadano era hubasa. And your buff for her barbecue no dear. You be here in temper. Oh, when you be more abebo pa. What the turmeric garlic go to cola and a ginkgo biloba. Turmeric garlic woman and your papa. And you bravo munti and what do woman casa a dray and yema a painful. About time one more money for him kwadawo nyemfedu mienu. Dudua Last Chance Herbal and Healing Center. Pram 52 Pharmacy Kaswa Obom Road and a pharmacy in herbal shops. One contact here 0574 353 707 and a 0531 541 755 or Bofo Herbal Mixture.
FDA aji ejedi nkra to yatum.
We are back bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet.
I'm not food man.
In the middle, you've got all the control with Cash Out and Build a Bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bets. At the back, they have Smart Picks and the Partial Daily Jackpot.
You always get way more with Betway.
And you want to see Sompa Sports.
Alright, yeah, mama de na yetimi twaso na fa fisem no twaso kama prayer farmer bara mama kwan se obesa bana Sompa sika promotion wa ba betwa na wadi kama pa na yaka ze Xmas we no wo se ye mo hwe o mutie no omanije dize wani beje na bibibia akoyi a je se Sompa we no sika promotion no do hwem ti me bana ma baba be ye we after no na ma bomode me first journal ti star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash okwa Sompa kumase makase we no twa na 77 ni 88 ni 99 ni 1010 ni ade a na afidi na meche first 500 Ghana na beba nti around for ma me mo mre kakra won na omuntwam gum what you say said be you menye ska no na abo mo nti no omo ma metwa star 256 star free hash ansana makona me ni ebiyofo edi nkoma na me na big game okroma anwumre no num live commentary nya de keto akra ewuramu bibia ne ade a ti Last Chance Herbal Center se menka emfantos ni omo bomode di ndro krogen ena baba be ramu okrodua ba ko abedwama so a bibia ye di hu nkomo no eye obofo herbal mixture dini ye obofo herbal mixture oko baby na ne kan yo dia oziama OB4 herbal mixture na OB4 no eno so ne kan yo dia aziama adru na afford da ho no na de tie nie yakra abamba fi China ebi Ghana ha ne yakan bom ne dia ye etunuma eyiyi ntinimu epepa mojanimu antinese malaria fever ne wo so typhoid anasepo no ewo anananse achewa ebe na sa ha nyina ayi de fi so mo amoye adwuma den no wakọ adwuma na ba no ase waye mre no obomode nyo obofo eba Mr. ne bibo ebebo na we gian na so na ne mako yie pa ere ama pharmacy ano over account bia no ye bo na unsa netimi akebina ne ma adeda ye pe timi edi ama na munkomo no ene sere nhihye no esietie no form number ina ne omonkasa ne ma bi 0574 353 707 0574 353 707 0533 121 761 0533 121 761 yamwa na nhyehyɛ no nkoyie pa entimi pharmacy dan bi so no nko entimi pharma Royal Foam Ghana Limited na maka zenne unyusu de Royal Foam a wakichi kakra ni nyina na se so de era afi so no daso a me konye me amachi me ya ne ade ni nyina no etu etimi etwa na the Royal Foam mattress ne baba bebo aze no abo ama ne nkofo ni je no ewie peye ni nyina so to a echeyie pa enya afi na akwakoto na achi no akwakoto ezeje so san kokoto fofre ni manimu ya omudwuma panti omobo modern etimi amomo special award a eno no etimi ramo ewo the 16th Ashanti Business Excellence Award the 20th anniversary organizer here the more 247 to the second and near mom good award and yan 12 Ghana Business and Financial Services Excellence Award yes some award na ni zeme wumne se eno ma bomode the new ultra modern showroom bia baba bazi ade tienie okona kokohwe ne me wuma ano intia atofa ho na kona kokwe ni me wum no curtains awdo na nkunya awdo na bed awdo na afi mattress no sizes awdo na ni na no ye boana ne ma dadi peda ma Royal Foam rest assured form number no 0202 27 1000 0202 27 1000 ani omo eni nkomo siate ka ho nkomo otepe no on 21st kenek nkomo na meba ababedi da tweza so mo na expert in siatica na jumadi 21st yi din wo Ghana ha abibre mani wiase afana nyina ehu kofofia ma no ne ba bejo maya isa ni nyina se siatica no omo na adoma suko ahun se ni na ade so ano a ebeboa ma abomode nya ya isa enti ba na siatica nkomo 21st kenek don't go there mudamufua di no mudi ni ade a ano eden pa na mepacho de tienie siatica ne se ota tenase ye adwuma otenase che ama to asinti ne twetwon atwetwon awramo she achi obebi awramo sisuo nti ama nante no wan ye den kakra etimi ade ama se ne obo modi na awramo 21st o maso ya ye na sa how ni nyina to atwa enya no nko no mo ye ho ne ma mo san ye ho ne se yesi ne ya wa hodo na edunya fruit ba besu na se no ye be ne aboara so wanya afa odi o laba o kwa be hwehwehwima hu se ya ye we ne how na ya ma ho adura bibidura side effect bia nim and I sign yes scan services na de mo behia so betwa scan no ye be ne ya yetimi ade ama nti ze ne massage and apeso rom kokwe o maso ye ma cancer bia ya to for ne fama na machine treatment no mi am ko mu ba kromu zampa ade no mu ede pa mi wie na me ho asisi me ho so a 21st nko na unya ne sa more than 15 branches Ghana baby o mo bo adwuma Kumasi Ayo overseas junction omo Ebena Free Radio Oboase Council Cortes Kojan Shunyomo Akra Domi Market to Benyomo and Afi Sunyane and Kranzani Techiman Baby Omu Yejuma form number no ni omu ninkoma manonen kofoba eba bejo my eyes or Ghana also no ojo de 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 yambwa nane mandeda di performa jouer for Champions League no eba so nana dwi tibe pacho ramu ewo betway na kokutwa na dine kese pa na nema endeda ye performa www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh nambwa na hyehyɛ no nkoyie pa fama de yanze wenye dum fie dum otwe o qualify so ro hu bishim na ni yise no ze ne omabom de ba ku bia ba e de da so ne the golden booking code o call mo site wa ba bi atwe 100% me pa cho ramu ho na uramu eboa na tutu na koyi pa etimi era ma kwa on saka code na nyibi mfim emfa bi enka ho e wo so obo modern na oye nhihye ni yie na eboa na ne ma de di mpre etimi era ma Betway bet your way na no na mo zu twa 1 Ghana 50 Ghana edi wa sika no nya na back se utwa na di nso anya sika bibreboa man tutu ekoyi pre etimi erema na Sompa charia no store yeguso kan so wo fie na ahwe utie nko a onso betimi aba beboa na nyina ka bomu ye maame a ni cream film eja no ena afi ye nuanom o maame ne on papa film eja omo no e wo se esmas ye momo ni je ne wi pe omo fi omo ye mba baba ya ye no nyame ehwu omo mo a from last year ne de banyina omo di so mfa so a ho dance ye no omo guso omo di ntize ne eye mo anwa abaye tin tomato sardine milo ana biscuit mpo no o niema bi a ne no so ye hye ye bi te se entema bi te se ntade school bags out out on our books out on our pen and our face to bed sheet shoes out on our toothpaste toothbrushes out on and our seminar and also the bar the beje make us also we chichi and see also the organis oh minyabi a me you na kwame na mefa so a me patrol keto bi ansa onya de tumu nko a beje nyame nso be hia na ba bia you free no on set me account number ya me de tudwan no o kakra bi na de to so a na jeze na omamu hia chen oje and our face no the award no de ma nti 0598 559 802 0598 559 802 me patrol send the idea beba no Taiwan Media ana Blessed Foster Taiwan Media ana Blessed Foster na boa na nema de di impeda mandino run for brana me first draw na me come anim Sompa sika promotion maka se mo ma betwandi ba bia du na 77777 ti me free Vodafone for no so ana e be draw no ti star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash na onso wa baba betwadi ti run for nyanto bo ase na menye we kaka ma me mom we ne kakra nti udo nkofo ntwa na 77 na memra ma me draw no na mo wene na munyeska o hwemi a memo diska mema onkokwa ti Vodafone se men kan fan chose nebra na news o mo dia ba amazing ni na se Vodafone car special bundle sanaba Vodafone car special offer no ababa be ram na de tie ne se ne 5 Ghana cedi pe ye ma 200 minutes obo mo di nkomo valid for 7 good ni na so wallet no to no star 110 hash star 110 hash obo modena roma 5 Ghana cedi ato wa bomoden etimenya offer ne kama pa na come Vodafone app no so na onso afara abo ma tutu na koyie pa etimera ma ran for enkora mehwe ni po obo modena ne Ramuna wetimi areni we na aboama bibia enso akoye kama pa so etimere amana ye we na ye nyena yenko anim na ne amandeda din kama pa entimi emfa emma montino ye hwe na yenramu ti meze numbers ni etwa no ho saa momfa ma me na nkofon ze number no na etwa no ho saa ti etwa no ho saa oho na nu anamba na balance anko wala ni ala bala asako wa ze oba fa chiro ero butwagum bat wa ba na ko ha ndi akramo we na the lucky number no ye ne nkasa 0553 887 final free DC 0553 887 edi monye wina menhwe na me hu nipa kro na waye wina na enye ya bare nka echi ma san twagum enche me ba be so ya me bom modern na ye ya ti echi kra twagum na abidi ti mehwe na me ni nipa na di nkomo na ma hu wina no na afi ma ba nya bi ya force na di nkomo akra na ye ya na aye wia ensu nya me ye bibia wo ne mre ensu ya me bibia e wasase wesu bia wo ne mre bibia wo ne mre hwe na we ne enye we ne enko na de oye no ewiase no bibia wo ne mre bishop ananye za ne ti osenka force ne carry say bibia wo ne mre osenka force ma wiase akwaso be orale ka bibia wo ne mre wiase bibia wo ne mre akomia ye wo mra ayiwe ye wo ye we ti etoda ebu a unzo yo okay etoda so a unyo okay ti bibia wo ne mre why ti enche mekona me ne no akwa ku din koma na mahuni po win but star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash na wo ram no aba betwa Sompa sika promotion na ye ram ne didi koma na ntime ba be sorry so a me bo modern na metimi aye me final draw no ntura muntwangum sa bara nye we no ma me ko etoma me ne be din komo media ma ba be dru Ghana ha after so mo ko kokoru koko ye adwuma na ewo Egypt mpatemo na amba be dru ye no joining ana wanyamfonyini bia hwe na aboa manema deda ye petimira mana yamboa Friday afofida ewo Ghana ha ti ozi nyina wo mu Kumasi Babara sponsor ni ekoko support yomo.
I say everywhere we go people want to see me there man.
Football loving people, football is coming home. A great day is coming. I had the CAF Champions League 2023. Ghana Champions, Media Sporting Club, and the CR Belus all Algeria. What a game is gonna be. Babanyaro Sports Stadium. Friday, December 1, 2023. Essentially a holiday. We are doing your pepe. Near be getting 4 p.m. Nagam need them. Mediaman Sporting Club. Said Yanimonyamwa. About Ghana football wanna samba game. The CAF Champions League numu. Full support from Ghana and to Mediaman Sporting Club. Emranwani. We sudie at the form Kulem. Popular stand. 20 Ghana cities. Center line 40 Ghana cities. VIP wings 50 Ghana cities. VIP main 100 Ghana cities and a VVIP cool 300 Ghana cities. Demo me hono die ubenya kakrabo ano. Fefe enti fiada Ghana for santimanyina. Yesia wa Babanyaro Sports Stadium. Half Champions League Asaba Mediama Edia ni monyam no epa Mediama ababo.
Ti Friday nyine kona ya kwa support me DMA Sporting Club Limited na boa na niama kuye kama pa etimi edi amomonti esa pepe NAC eti anyway ya the MTN Africa banopambe office chess no so etimi edi manane game no 5 p.m. live commentary bomodin na ramu etimi edi ma ba me court na me nin komo emra na me first train na no Sompa sika promotion di odi e no pen Sompa TV ni na odi ni baby a ukasa fi
Machafu no Ebenezer kasi Friday
ebe na on saka wallet no
Boshai
ebe na udi say
500 cedis
ebe utwa say
10 cedis
wow na eze bi arope de mze nkomo papa mu ede power na
Sompa no nya de pa na pe de nya de
di dia na beka era che omo hwe ni omo mu TFA Sompa sika promotion
Makande obi an force ni na pa ana kasa na pa aya do abon pa
dia beti ya ba san ya second one no what do we no fa guso na san di second one no so why
go show your matter
di ebe na abomode di ne de na wa dance no star 256 star 3 hash unya twanko abedi utwa ubedi there also channel there say we are there say bisi bibia won e bre enti star 256 star 3 hash na boa na ne man da di pen fa mana big game na nwumre rom no coach Kasim Mengo Jamo Edema Nation says we din koma akra era fa game no na oshia kotoko no ne nsem no say no dey jai
but they know me very well. I'm not scared and I'm also not scared about them. We're going to play football. How can you beat Ghana? Someone. It's a league that we play. It's a competition. So we're going to meet them. We're going to play. And the better side that day, better side we win. It's football.
And I know you're coming across the coach Kasim Mengo about my daily job. I'm not a captain. You're Fanny Manuel Boy. Such as a knee, giving no more rest in the Padudona. Ebeba Baby Roma Bebomunia Comana Sunina Mono, or more GD pa, sell more and more muhu, or Meta Cosona, and Kunindina Baby Omodi. Seen on super modern and semi jai.
Oh, David. You play now will be able match as until you will be because you know crowd hand don't buy so will be a who be a kobo at the end of the day no dear Vivan Betonos on a baby.
Enti ano ye koma ni obomode etimere jeboa ma ne ma dadi pa de za ye hwe issues ne kakra me nze nche pinfo bi ofiri amene on be din komo na minja mo kwan na no wo fa mo konko to aso mo mo ye ayi Argentina for na fim
penalties mo
Germany de zo mo do penalties wo bebre
Deutschland uba ale nse bi omo keka no yenso mu
we mu na we mu ya de national team
na me say inverted left wing back
can have it
number 10 ko ja samwa oba ball
abu ami say your best player ahwefo ne adofo say nyame adoma Friday now the weekend is long weekend is shall see free Thursday inti padaroma Thursday open adwuma kofi ko relax Friday morning ye de obeye Friday evening be pm and area no be pm e Baba Sports Stadium be he game ni bi uhwe wi a anwumere na kire honum na tena honum a na di du nkoma anadwo no na so be fa ma asachi wonum na hon ba ko bi na ehye wo no ana se obewura mu kuma se mo ho ba ko bi na ehye mu ho na ho ni mienu nyina obetima akọ la sawa then all the Kugua Saturday was our refresh. It's going to be a long weekend. Encore Stadium da I experience a CAF Champions League game da I recommend Mediama any see how lose that game no to you. Ko the kushibi. You can't stay at home. If you ankasa say I boring kakra, p wash them match. The beer go to stadium, have an euphoria, enjoy it. Make us say the whole of this year unya kwenyanko stadium go here match you because I'm rainy ho. But you can take the family along. CAF games, you can be assured of serious security and nothing is going to happen. Found Mako, at least be our Klaketubo on stadium there for the first time. No, for Koraneko, Fanisiwa Betty. Yanum saying in your opportunity say be a better football because our fathers no more stadium. Obeso on start, not wako Tinamubi. Surface Babayara. Chairman base on Rasi or Kakrabe for us, Hona Killis Bishop, where do call you Buguzwa, match the Koswa. We say yes, what busted do her ball. So these are things you need your kids to experience. Kindly take them along. Mediama at the Champions League aba. CS Belus that international game. Don't sit at home. Go and watch those games, and I believe say you'll be good. Mediama, Omalande, Omuye training. They are serious and they want to turn this around. Abu, I only believe that among that particular defeat against Al Ahly in Tomachi, we should see a different Mediama, not defending, but a different Mediama attacking on all four fronts. They are creating a lot and making sure so beating media winning game. No, and I believe they are going to get a result against CS Belus that they need the support and they need you people to come and support them also. But then, Kotokoni nations. Another pathway to go into Africa, I think say Dreams FC any media match is Africa and let me say I kono obekwano could be in them. And see the pathway going to the group stage and it's not so much giddy it's a first na for free be brilliant team in kono. Utimi come now to turn your maya playing the group stage is not going to be a problem. Nations in Kumasa Sante Kotoko I know say they will have a quest to actually win this particular competition. Obianya or the Africa beating up by the home Babebo. And I think we are going to have a very competitive game as compared to the other time they could go away and knock out. You free my kofi. Where passion, you are your only chance to even represent Ghana or an African competition by the league in its own year. Meaning sure so one guys are be fully convinced that you want to achieve something. And this is a Kumasi derby. This is something Kotoko should be looking out to and making sure so must stamp their authority. Nations have not been bad in recent games. And Abu nations a picket form the band money who do Kumasa Sante Kotoko. The time of Kumasa Sante Kotoko share nations in the Crampa. Boy, Abu Dhabi, you could feel say nations were ready though, but in terms of experience, Kotoko the be real actually penalty be by Emma nations the team Moka emanate A22. But why the last 3 games are Kasi Mingo and Mantiano? I think say Adebakwa I'm on my distinct from the other teams in the league is their level of Kwamofas or Mon consider a lot of goals. Omuni Brekum Chelsea and Bobosu teams or Mon consider no. Omuni Brekum Chelsea one and a Bobo so Wako Shebe a Brekum 1-0, Karela 1-0. On one side in FA before the BN goes that match 1-1-0. So you could feel say Omushe goes to run idea, but Omusha led by their centre back Razak Simpson, who has been one of their best players this particular season. So Kotoko will need to do a lot to make sure somebody will break your down El Babara Sports Stadium. It's going to be a marvelous game. Kotoko supporters will have to come in and make sure the team is qualify. Justice Blay is not there. This is also another opportunity for players with Ada Samon and Abenyimu to also come in and also do their best and prove to coach. And they said they are also ready to start games for Kumasa and Kotoko. They can't let this go, especially when our name say league and you are not sure of it.
Bishop Bram, na yeah.
Randoms man, no, you are okay.
Out there,
randoms man, you are okay.
Oh, that is the bell.
Randoms man, you are okay.
The bell.
Randoms man.
Go on your chama here. It's all non idea about the Kabakona, leader of delegation.
Okay, random. Na case number 1, match na yebona nyumreno is going to be a cracker. MTN FA Cup, no 2 games are now I was eagerly anticipating. Anyway, and then become just the Diana. The circumstances surrounding the game itself makes it nice. Now it is only fair. Say Yakupon or call of us to Nemo. So what I say, become just the Kobo Diana at this time. Fantastic news. Of course. Me attention me makume manage pa. If anybody can Brikum Chelsea and Kwame Kan. Ampo. Of course. So bibe to me Obenka and Chelsea on to me. If anybody at all can do this, it's them. And I'm so happy. So I'm boss our game way. Oh, fantastic news. I'm so eagerly looking forward to the game and the pre-match game. So I would love to see all that, and I would love to see the atmosphere in the stadium when the game also takes off. I mean, I look forward to a cracking game. Chelsea born on born this season and wedding. And Rihanna also are on top of the league.
Yeah,
so it's going to be a
very tough game.
Yeah, and then up the pitch it will even be nicer. I want to many be one more so be a bit to me and I'm to me. Yeah, yeah, sure. So I'll look forward to that. You see, Echinano yeba Ghana for you na ready. Say you hear ni musa na kufa do instructions ne nkrata. Or the Ama Minister of Youth and Sports so mon carry out. Mama Ketokraku and GFA World Cup Sikanibino. We will discuss it here.
Ocha.
Today, calm down.
Ocha.
Yami Aduma.
Oh, okay.
No, no source documents. But the news is that your directive ministry and say World Cup Sikano. Mama GFA. Touch never to us.
Ocha never be real, man. Yeah. Mate me da se pa. Today, Maminja Onako. Right, leader of delegation. Na time na call for no
8 o'clock bang
no ma be dua
bang
enti omo ba nhye ne te say o na only di omo no ma
ko baby
mate why me da se na kofi boku a me ne be di nkoma na me twen se ka ramu ya but anye we but some possible promotion star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash obetimi abomodi aba betwa na wadi muntwa nguma nche me ba be me final draw no na yawura medi nkoma govina bibi aboko de
temi aduma wo
ya de Ghana nyina mo na mo yetim am wo fompa ana
minti yo
se di aka wa ze ze nation mu form na mu kura no
sa
no den ze ma boy me ze matches ni bi ato aso atwodi mba
three goals, 3 matches, yes. Continuous.
It means you go to
any coaches in any place.
It is all Jitum Ghana, Momona more for.
Oh, see, not up. I didn't have for the form. Tinom that's wrong.
Oh, me pray you, me can't give everybody now. I'm on a more for.
Oh, there, Debiana, Coach Casimingaka. Say you wanna work in progress.
Oh, okay.
And hope say you progress, and remember and now we feel say the work we're doing has progressed because to win 3 matches on the trot, Maybe say match league here, boy 18 teams, no only 3 teams now it means how. And those 3 teams almost on that top, Eduana in Swatre and Brikum Chelsea. Almost wanna share more than 3, and it's a share 3. And Tibia next match share 4th and the top 4 in the movie.
4 match in the end.
And then
no competition 4th match
in the end. And you share 4th match and I say yes, we are bad the elite in him.
I'm munya hint be say money crop ya babo we free cup na mobi training or baba.
Oh, David.
Training now me or baba. So last time I make it but be a mission be am watching with Lintia. More training pitches you know some will be training or baba. I mean Tiase.
Abu and the catch him that. So much him that. Well, issue in say you training pitch no. With baso.
Oh, okay.
Okay, intina on say your who say sa more white no. Sa bed white no. On be almost so. And you say more be amba pitch so.
No, the more.
Next year who adwuma.
And I'm when you be bia baba.
Oh, yeah, go West School. But you could do West School. Now on say institution. Intina and some modalities na no there. Until yet you say so baba ya say second home.
Mo second.
Alternative avenue. Baba. Okwa efia. Time efficacy you see alternative home.
Dr. Kwabichi Sports Complex here home no.
Home no.
Second year.
Baba ya.
Oh, Timo share ala.
Injesu dey be say near. Yen call if he. I was say what to call baby na bobra no. Obefia oh ni kwazo koda hotel
also
so kufie na busia fun say okọ no aba etike koda hotel west school but ye call na say hotel fi ntimi
okay
and so in san say ye mra fie na ja ifie ni fie na ja e ba no kwa 2 days pe na be di yo na me nim di ntia say 2 days pe o 2 days na ye bibi na me busa say send the matters has for ba
has for so ba
ntia so say
oh that has the other day I don't know.
Yeni no na tia start me. Dabi yeni na tia start me ya.
They are man comfort tia say which is me no between no. Was it still between no?
And another thing is na training pitch no. Na extension.
Oh okay.
Because yeni this already won say training pitch no. Ye pese ye boa smaller teams in the Western region no. On say Oko Division 2 games in Division 1 and maybe any standard pitch on ba so ye pese ye stands cry or maybe a training no. And tina say yes standing no. Ne benya standard pitch e betimi abo league match also.
Oh okay.
Okay. Tina ntini adua grass ni bi. Bana emfu emiti standard level na say jam na timi fu standard ni trim boom. Ntini fast no so e coincide with time na say treaty pitch no. Ntini training
na mo de
baba ya.
Ana BBC Simons.
Bi David. First cry na ye ko Jachi school mo. But amo pitch no enye kra and say enye yemra. Ye no kotoko the eni nim say able 2 matches per this season.
Man fan kan.
David eni say able 2 per. Eni say baba if I say Dr. Kwame Sports Complex home. Na second round yara. You know him.
So who say fake up so draw no year zone away.
But yeah, as a matter of fact, league you know. Team biao. Oh David. Yan factor team bia say oh team we there you be share no how we say no. Ye ni projection say afeni aba league nim. Minus. Ye ni experience. Inti ye be test waters no. Ni ya try say by the end of the season no ye be come. Now feel next season no yeba enu oni akovenu bia so ve baby ehun bia ti next season yeba dia next yeba na pabene so that say enu ane yebo tired ba ye league nim
ti ena no menya ase for rabi bia ra ehwe league me person the work
baby abi ko bia enko me ready
that money kotoko ball league no
yes
na no other there mu boy
sen
be PP
abrankase no
nen koma na etiti na chi no.
Okay.
I was almost fine when I'm paying for.
Yeah.
You visa account. Meaning, say visa we no correct. Say doctor akwa settle.
No correct.
Cheche muka correct. Send yeah.
They say doctor, say after match no. Oba out or turn on the network so we can say pitch no ye kotoko for dia. Inti kotoko for say na. They say they wa japa dia no wa say no. Wo power dia no wa ko say no. Me nyini say o papa jimi aka say meba wase me TV a chinchina akoto na why be to yaka nti wo pakora should be happy say wan ko say abonitinu an de no an de nti obetua but un say competition e bo no rules no AF no competition
yes
nti no unti minga say wawo ba abonitu nti aban fanche sa ban ni emrane de eni udi nti emrane ni kotokodi sa no verdict ni say kotoko emetua 80,000 Emma Effie na Effie family nations FC near fan settle a costa in care. That was the verdict. Inti kotoko kutia ma Effie na Effie dia bre and doctor feel say was me dia che inti ade nti na mesa ma kutua ska no near san de bre me inti pam no twa no ene me ama kutua inti ade ska kwa bre me a me sika what you say inti there was no need of ma kotoko aksan kutua because kotoko kutua ubeti abonja ka say oso dia che ba kotoko kutua na sika na koma no inti na kotoko mingu tua kra me amitua na de o de mame me ko west school west college na your principal be ho no e do yalawa or say we shall pay you then you pay us alawa de ba or what te wada charges it will not say on team free alawa nim na wa ko ka say alawa ba principal te yes it will be tiama name we tiama wa announce where dey it will say we shall pay you then you pay us. Until no we feel say doctor feel say or no another debt no na kotokokra and take bibia from the coffers. Wow. And the what is here. But there's one thing man for if you say the game itself no. You find it.
Yeah, me was last year na mu.
You find it 5,000.
Then I'm
Yeah. The police on the day disappointed.
Okay.
Because over videos now, they made it look as if say there were no policemen there. Until they felt say or share footage, you provided adequate security. Yes. And my way by. But on the day there were more than 50 policemen. Until some change this command as I say going forward, say men on the but no proactive. Because 5,000 in this calculate well. 50 million. Yeah, nyashi. Never near that we. Yeah, nyashi. Yeah, nyashi. What find 5,000 because the police failed to do their duty. So in this year.
I don't think Ghana uncle won't be buscaba nations for. One thing special partner is there's bonuses are muchiani at the other compare teams in the Amomo Dino
minim other teams there. By then there at least a sizable bonus at least Odema Jumania and until Kunwama wa say Melinda Bibiso. Said the number become Amukum ya and I say MO a 7:30 p.m. and I check and say oh yeah bonus no we crop ya way but there is a back community no manya omwe timi no wa na wa hat so seven course as a man give na to ka client am some at home so na udi kan ne omoboy no tutu na senate be was what body be sa wodo na yeah but first match money omo abra senate yani first game no as a matter of fact I won't say there make say for everyone will be idea. Don't say there. I'm sorry, I'm making queen. Because I have me for census.
Yeah, that was it.
Yatime.
I was it too.
Na me ko to koni.
And
now people feel to make card she message you meet me here check camera. Inti yani ko to ko be now we feel say they are ti baby ko bia no me mama bet ben ne need akoba. Yes. Baby ko bia ne ko to ko fo ne ko Mr. Do need da ko Edwin free Canada buy no mu nyina ne nante. Inti ye no ye fa no say ye ifie into kwa. But e do ho no ene me see me who say I say amuna mfani sa because time bus ni uremu no I say supporters there ote sebi ote jachi ote container say kotokoba wache because cabinet has been free a hormone na
we no kotokoba
what you say it kotokoba they did the same to even to Samates team bus ne ba supporters so if you and say omani age omugina bus ni but I don't know they were certain kotokoba supporters they felt say as a come at the gate. Into be crowd could post on Facebook, and I was like, no, supporters now. Omani and me personally, me call him Charlie, mummy, so that I say, now since you know, should I yet pleasant because you feel say, Pam in Nimuno Panka, I'll be sure on your but now fish expression be inquiry. But born me you. Me mobi you e di come new dia me new ni dia yes resere na ka pictures na players na e battle no but we feel say as a member no say we see but no team number Brancasia your man complimentary 20 oh yes
and the reception I'm more money
it was superb yeah pretty much any 20 minutes. Nti commissioner can say well so we dey nuanom to quarantine bibia no dey am yen sorry nkoi ye need 20 minutes bibia nsi nti na ye nim say game never won dey bibia no be see nti they see your patient so there me answer now no me jono wa menti ase
mate meba na afi ya ne game no na ye din command you know already now ti Kofi Poku or your communication team member or Ramon Nation Service your maso ya any did in command na you are big game no about so 5 p.m.
director.
Okay,
team member.
On a communication director.
Mr.
Let me come here to.
And team post some patch up. And 20%.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Canadian brands and commercial manager.
Sure. Director, Mr. Opa.
Thank you.
Very down to I will do all scientific clinic and services in a doctor ni Muslim can find jobs or about a bona would you and I feel so much that you might about and which I feel like this is an amount to ya or be one which I'll not akuye pay me the man no so no the obabe duana na teduano when ya how kakra wo ho a isuana pese ye kese a Niwat scientific clinic and diagnostic services so and a doctor ni mobere na waboa na so no nema akuye pay da manana so no oye nema bebre say no kidimu how liver hepatitis typhoid cancer hypertension stroke diabetes and on kase no how kakra wom twaya ye wo so wo wani yo ya ulcer osisi na afi so no kasa pampan na eba ne ya na ntimi kasa onipam obe na waboa ejuma de obobi pa o call no wa laboratory services courses scan services no course o wada machine so use a or this do so un said ne hesitate kuma say open atun su Monaco junction of Citaran Bank na jeze or transjora kokusi memenda no so abodi apam no pa kusi enwumre no nsia na nkran so no circle inside Fotorama Obengorio station of seat NS chemist nkran so no or transia wora kokusi memenda no pa no so abodi apam kusi enwumre no nsia fa number no nane doc ni nkomona kan ha 0244 087687 0244 087687 0279 087687 0279 087687 fe na doctor ni momo na ne man de dimpa enche meba ahomano so na me no wedi nkomo akraba Sompa sika promotion star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash enche meba be me draw no ntimu twangum ba ko ye 5 Ghana cedi na abo code na me dia tudwa no star 256 star 3 hash na abonzi nebe shasi abano Sompa kumase na wabie dia tum na aboa na manema akoyie pa etimi edi amana to nyenso etimi adada dintie no edi ewrama eboa ma bibia akoyie pa ede mantime yanze yeze neso se bibia nyede dadin a ode kra mo matime be no so why na yaba be didi unkoma dikobi ye wramo game na nkasa ni nkomo na emu ne munuanom krobia meza wadi kin akakra ze kokofosu ti no mamba
musuro
mo ebo yo mo ne mo boy no mo unzo ma ho dem bro mo so bibre.
Oh, enya no kre.
David. Na mo de na bro mo so.
Oh, some one dey on. When I say sometimes now we mistake be wa samba back be hantil. Because on the day no na first I say kill game. Yen tentem na. Oh, but send the Americano. The team no na a work in progress. Because your guys be bria on free division 1, division 2. And you blend the likes of Prince Aquamone, Razak, na Mabobo Lake ni medano. So until experience wise no na ever form and obi wo kra the mention of Kotokon kra no or Trembo. So but your guys and so Mabobo bisa until now we needed to side them up. So until you know a share first go no na as a tempo na perform. So but you die and quickly on share 2 goals and quickly yes, I'm back. Kotoko share first, second goal no kra no. E why nya clear chance ajima senka oditika. Na obanu ball over the bar. Until you play ni there, all man one change. David, now you about 12 matches. No team and I dominate in terms of play.
More botching teams now.
Team bia na bia or league in bia. No team. The only team or bad to the party here against Accra, Great Olympics of Accra. But I don't know fatigue because you ball media man standing match no. If you wanna near travel straight to Accra, you could do kwemuna, you could nya issue because na track bia block kwano. It's near see a san dan ye ho. Esa ko fata kwa, esa be fabu go so back. Oh. It's a travel over the night. Wow. It's you do the next morning. And one just 24 hours ko ball match no. It's na boys na break. It's first half clearly na fatigue assetting.
To we don't be sure man.
Of course yes.
Mo be sure koto.
E be sure koto. Enne.
Oh.
Baba yara. How if you?
To baba be sure koto ne.
Ah, e be sure.
Eh, Kovi.
Obo ya. Unu mze nations officially. This is our third time ever.
Yes.
The first time, me kwana me buy. Now against Amantes. Yeah. You share 2 goals. The next time, Ben, me communication team member, oni nda kone buy. You share 2 goals. And I'm ba.
Tu me share koto kutu.
Sebo sume ni me kwana imprensa.
etumbeje kotokutu FA Cup no munya mo pe.
Oh yes, because
mo be FA Cup.
Unim Nations FC ball na ye no. We are not looking at it say yeah ball for entertainment sake. We are also looking at the business aspect.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And ultimately Ghana say now running football as a business entity. Abra on the shores of outside the shores. And if we say 34 matches on there, and be a thing for now. I will me say it me about 34 matches on the quarter top. Ajay League na be a thing. But we feel say FA Cup on there. At least and at most be 6-7 matches there. Ultimately count this so after 7 matches on the pack. Because I'm sure saying Kali in Kwan Gebia, no disrespect, Gebia can dreams come on African.
Yes.
Because very difficult to Major League.
To win money, brave.
Yani
but if there's so much support, there's a more Kobe Bia or more Baba support, 20 number Baba.
Be could be
can be your man. Now, if I remember for him, can be your man. So, Mumra support to us.
Metia Kana, Amonemekasa, and Omcrapo, your moon here introduction. I know we need to tell them anything because your more Karela match we Saturday no more planning a commerce. So what I say. Until they make a chance say Chairman BM and Namo, Muti me, I know you are listening. Send it to be a no. Yet so I sorry. Until end ya human acha cry 2 o'clock. Na kotoko for man tema na why ma.
Nations image mo.
O man tema o na why ma. And I get you said that form 20 cities for popular stand. And center line here 30 cities. China VIP rings so 40.
Yes.
And VIP no so 70 cities. Into the nations omumra. Na the way say e bia kotoko for mra no. Na first half ye di kan kele game no. Na second half na on be so me bibi no. Ye ne obibi of nations ball.
Mo nation ball. E
ba second half.
Na ma ba ball.
E no e ba as ya so place na duro. Pepa. Abu.
China me nyawo.
Oh, say fear de bia wa ha. De bia wa ha.
About say we see relax ya kasa no be share kotoko.
Abu say 11 players. Of the field kotoko there, omo standard there me omo. Na kotoko only kotoko challenge there. 26 league na wajina. Unyi bi kura da na fe na o challenge na. Champions League round qualify bi da. On waji 2. What I say? But on the field of play no. 11 each. Obi asab ye pe. Technical team ye pe. The only time the chain ye, be chain ne. Me so be ba kotoko for them jomudi and the numbers.
The numbers.
Spectators in there they will come. Yes. But the message say enemy see what Abrankes no there. Maybe see build that be.
Mate, mama kwa mano so na me fa for ne kakra na me nti omo. Ansa na ma baba be draw. Nti you final one on code no mo fa star 256 star 3 hash. Na matwa. Me fo bi wa me ba jo dia ne baby afrefi. Hello. Hello. Anya ready me here na me fa for
Hello.
Yeah, Udiani baby Alfrefi.
Abu Mame Chow no be your phone what if we na no face. Mediana of one who bit my friend Yamini Baba for me do the Bantama.
Also meet you.
What do you make?
It won't come with you.
Mo yenimse na yanko pa ya aduma na CFC. Omo de ya aduma ti ko be kan form. Yanko pa ya aduma Continental Club Masters. Ejina kono. Yenimse FA Cup no kwan bia so kwan aye. No so say opportunity ha te betim de afa so akwa Africa. On the China na FC na DC akan. The better fans no bia mon pa bonai. Including to me area. Abu
Mate medase pa Udiani baby Alfrefi.
Champion Abu Dhabi.
Yes, I meet you.
When you are Solomon, and a very a chance to let area. I was a man with a gun of a brother. My memoir, but so Namania Nation supporter work as a you know, let's see the two manager. And we are doing the converses and Joko supporters. Yamate team that team. FA Cup on there, Obian will be a Division 1 team competing with the UA playing. And the nation for Mokas and manager will be so in the best supporters in Yamla. Name Shango Pansoma, almost your crowd. You come more, you support who would come almost no, and almost Panagra, refugee, the West Panakin, and Yamla Shaw Pansoma, now we in the Yampa, Medate.
Martin Medasu, Diana baby Alfrefi.
Yes,
Robert, Yoko Robert.
I'm trying to put on a good social. I do it now, brother. I have to put all the environment on what I say. And don't tell them by what they just have to put you maybe I have to America, because you know. Ya kwa kwa ya animu boy
You can't say Dr. Bami did anything. Okay, that's the point I say about the you know. I mean, you but can't be in the name of Medasi.
Martin Mensumeda, some far back community and Santa Marina, Miami draw no na fema pijama. Mudiana baby Alfrefi.
No,
yes, sir.
You have a podium.
Memory now, sir.
You have your opinion.
What you meet you?
The problem is far more. You're making that you need a Barcelona, okay, and now, for instance, you don't recruit national football. Among the movement is the player of the you never consider the community. You don't much about it. And come on.
Say, Merasipa, no dear. On our child to Dini baby Alfrefi. Dabi. Onye ready round for any winning in PJ mu na enye ya but ebeba na 5 near the live commentary no ya baba beto aso etimi de amamo na we ya na ya ti no behwe na why draw na amamo ntimo piki we no na me ne kovi de twato omo ye draw ni nyina ehwe piki we na no na de twato na ye ko
abu de me kan say yetita fo na mba ni nyina no emu bia regime say nyame aduma emmo no nso e komase ya de na ni CFC yaba ye be invade the capital nti yaba nti then no be na I think Meti Obi say no kasa one of the stations say the last time a team variable under floodlight you know or J5 was a day and I was like wow so that team no need floodlight only stadium kra
okay
yeni Obi nti training one san yaba yeah ye training numre ye stadium of floodlight
Tinra mu training under floodlight.
Oh yes. And the bebo game no.
O you nim ye game na me no be share. Why?
Tell me ba.
Me ba me.
Why
ti mama heard your rainy we no na omo fanfa mama na mbo amane man de ye pa. Efa emma 0555. Why na on picky we mama na me hu we na na. 0556 341 0556 341. Eno ne winner. Anase ye draw no ye twi ye no second winner no ebo amane ma deda din pedema mo ntino ye rena ye de mapem na fa exactly 12 news at 12 no ababa beto aso kama pa e di amamonyambo asere meken na 3 to 4 shootout number but live commentary ye beba na kramo beba be gi seat no na ye ram na ya bomode na de akebia no etimi ato aso kama pa so no etimi e di amamone we atini ye ko ye da munyina ase nresim no ye be san hia na de akebia ye de ato aso amamo